Hi, I'm Jessica, the co-founder and CEO of Lovevery. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the background of our company. So when I had my first baby, I had co-founded Happy Family, which is now the #1 selling organic baby food company in the country. And I felt so confident about what I was feeding him. So I think he said like sardines at one. He was just eating so well. But I found myself wondering what was actually happening with his developing brain. There's so much focus on nutrition, so I really felt like I was giving him the best start in terms of nutrition for his body, but what was I giving to actually feed his brain? And so I remember this time, and we all probably have it, like this play space where there's all the plastic stuff. And I have one of those tabletop toys where he would pull himself up and he pushed one button and all of a sudden it was like a purple cow pops out and music starts playing and music is flashing. And I remember really craving a moment of connection with him, but instead really feeling like this toy was almost between us. And I also remember wondering, what is this toy actually doing for his developing brain? And I had gone so deep into the science on early nutrition, I really craved knowing the science on early learning. And so I discovered this doctoral thesis written by an expert in children's brain development. And it had all of the science kind of brought into a program of actionable activities and things that you can do at each stage of your child's development. And I found myself like wiping out all the toys, starting to make my own, and really embarking on this journey of activities and experiences that I could give my baby at each stage that helped me feel confident that I was giving him the very best. Around this time, I contacted my best friend's husband, Rod Morris, I've always admired him. He's been a mentor to me in many business ventures. And he really has studied the science around how parents behave and what does it take to really have a mission-driven company and really build something that people, that we all can believe in and feel good about. And so we co-founded Lovevery, and the purpose is to bring the science on early childhood and distill it down to very actionable information, tools, activities, toys that you can do to make this kind of early learning stage joyful and to know confidently what your baby needs at each stage. So thank you so much for being a part of Lovevery. It's been a really meaningful journey for me, and I love being in connection with you, our customers.